Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's my honor to see you again in this second chemistry class of International Class in Industrial Engineering, Fakultas Rekayasa Industri Telkom University. In this video, I'd like to describe about the course overview, which will detail about what is it course description and the course learning outcome about the topic and the score and the component that will contribute to the final score, and hope you will prepare more better strategy to get the best score learning process. And if you have already got the best score in the first chemistry, please maintain it with the good strategy and keep your spirit on it. But un if you have unsatisfied score in the first chemistry, maybe you may start with arrange the better strategy and also make an evaluation in the process, especially in using LMS to make it more better. What we will discuss is about the description. In this learning process, every student in each learning stage will gain knowledge and deepening of the basic concept of chemical science in industry and environmental chemistry, especially those that related to industrial waste and B3 or hazardous waste through a green science and technology approach. All of these concepts are used to solve simple problems in everyday life, science and technology, and to support the Indonesia's Challenge 4.0. What we have here that the focus of your learning in the second chemistry is mastering the current principles and issues in economy, social ecology in general. All of this focus will be delivered into course learning outcome, which will be detailed into 4 CLO 4 point. First is every student after learning process able to describe the concept of sustainability, green science, and the technology. Second, the CLO2 is that you be able to compare the functional group of hydrocarbon, nucleotide acid, and the composition of these substances. Third is to describe the chemical basic principle process in industries. And the fourth, how you can explain an environment aspect of water and atmosphere. For the transparation of the process in scoring, here we have the scoring rubric, which important point for you to make a good strategy. If you want to have the best score, you have to be able to always submit each assessment, such as the quiz, assignment, mid-test, and the final test. For the first CLO, in order to describe the concept of sustainability, green science, and technology, we have assessment, quiz, and assignment. Look at the point. The percentage is 15 for the quiz and 5% for the assignment, and total 20% of the total score. Second CLO, it's the highest percentage of the scoring that You are be able to compare the functional groups of hydrocarbon, nucleotide acid, and its composition, which will be assessed by quiz 5% and in the mid test 25%. So total it will give 30%. The third is describes the chemical process that occur in the chemical industry, which is it will be delivered in the assignment 20% and 5% in the quiz. The last but not least is a final test, which will be assess the topic about the environmental aspect, which is water and atmospheric topic. So total of the CLO will be 100% to your last score. The role of class. In the online class, we have already required platform that use for telecom university. We use an LMS, and you have to be more often open this LMS. Next, we will use the LMS as asynchronous meeting, and for the synchronized meeting it will use to be the place for discussion or discuss it in the virtual meeting. Second, quiz review and the pop-up quiz will be available as an activity completion indicator and also contribute to final score. And if you found any obstacle of the course, please communicate it with the lecturer. And always keep maintains to the ethics during the online class. The subject. Let's see that we have a roadmap subject for the 14th week. The first topic that we will learn in the first week, as we mentioned before, that this is the first ID of the CLO. It's talking about the sustainability, green science, and technology. We will discuss about this sustainability for almost 2 weeks, first week and the second weeks. After sustainability discussion, it will close by quiz, and then we continue to organic chemistry topic, which will discuss about the hydrocarbon and then followed by the functional group. And after the functional group, we also will be more carbohydrate, protein, lipid, nucleic acid, polymers, colloid, and metabolism. After we got the organic chemistry, we will have mid test, and the mid test as the schedule will be held at 5 until 15 April in 2021. And the topic to be examined is only ClO2, which is it talk about the organic chemistry. After mid test, it will talk about the industry, and the industry is talking about the principle of process in this industry, which is the industry is petrochemicals industry, iron and steel, coal-fired chemicals such as textile, paper, shoes, rubber printing, or others, cement industries, ceramic industries, fat-based industries, and milk and also cheese industry. About this industry, it will be delivered in the group assignment. After the industries, we will continue to talking about the aspect of the water, which will discuss about the nature, characteristic of water, availability and use organism in water, water life, water pollution, water treatment, hot water, and supercritical water. After water, we'll go to talk about the atmosphere, and then what we will discuss about in the atmosphere is the properties of atmosphere, the composition, the formation, meteorology, chemical process, and so on. And then we will close it with the final exam, which is as an assessment tools for the fourth CLO. Learning roadmap. For more understand about the planning program in learning for one semester, here we have that for first meeting, It's talking about the overview and then the assignment explanation, grouping, green science and technology. Second, we have quiz after we talk about the green science and technology. And this quiz will contribute to will contribute to the final score. Remember that this quiz is the assessment for the CLO1. Third meet, we will introduction about continue to organic chemistry, and then fourth, fifth until sixth meeting, we will discuss about the organic chemistry, which will every organic chemistry will be complete with the quiz. Seventh meeting, we have to every student have to submit assignment and group presentation. Start with the group presentation, and then we'll have mid test. After mid test, we have group presentation until 10th meeting, and followed by the discussion of the CLO4, which is talking about water and atmosphere, until the last meeting, and we will close it with final exam. This is the reference that you may be found for complete the knowledge in learning about the second chemistry.